Peace family, it's me, Key, back again with another affirmation and the spirit animal for you guys. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. We have elephant. Elephant. Wisdom, strength, good fortune, protection, loyalty, memory, and divinity. Spirit animal told him the elephant can guide individuals to tap into their inner wisdom, find strength, and overcome obstacles. Elephant. Let's get you guys an affirmation. I choose to say no when I need to. I choose to say no when I need to. So the message that I have for you guys today is to follow your north node. Follow your north node. Stay on the right path. And you will be okay. Love you guys. Catch you on the next one. Ashe.